guys, this is where we're staying. We're at Howard Johnson's, and now we are heading over to Disneyland, so just show you how close it is. So let's go. You can see the monorail tracks are right there. There's the Howard Johnson sign. If you look inside the parking lot, they even have the Disneyland banners inside the parking lot. There's the monorail right there with the 90th anniversary of the birthday for Mickey. The nice thing about this hotel is it's only about a 7-minute walk maybe, and you're at security, and the next thing you know you're in the park. So it's a good place to stay. No tram to ride, no waiting for the tram, no $25 parking, because parking recently went up from 20 to 25. So yes, it's a little more expensive, but it's really nice. This is the second time we've stayed at the Hojo. So this is our day 4 out of 5, but we're probably going to stay some on Saturday, so it's like 5.5, I think, is the plan at this point. So, and the hotel is nice enough to let us park there the whole time, even after we're checked out, so that'll work out sweet, because $125 of parking saved. Pretty sweet. So we're almost through security. Right there is the sign to Howard Johnson's and the Matterhorn, as well as the monorail tracks right there. That's how close you are. Really cool. If you look around here, here is the this is what it looks like. As you can see, it kind of looks like the old style of hotel, which is kind of cool, but inside they're like brand new because they've all been redone recently. So I'm going to show you this little playground over here. That's the Pirates Cove that I was telling you about, and we'll check it out. It doesn't look like there's probably anybody there because this is early in the morning. Here's the front of the building here. This is the office right here. Okay, here is the Castaway Cove. Pretty cool for kids if you have kids. It's not quite open yet because it opens at 10. I'm doing this video early because I'm going to Disneyland. And these, of course, are the rules and that. But I'll show you over the fence because you can't see what it looks like. There's what it looks like. Pretty nice place. So a great place to bring your family for a Disneyland trip. Now keep in mind, if you do decide to stay here, you're gonna have to book this months in advance because they do fill up fast. And if you don't and you wait till the last minute, you won't be staying here. I wanted to show you this chair. There's a huge chair over here. So we're headed to that big chair over there, and I'll show you that. It's really cool. Okay, if you can hear me over the freeway traffic, because we're right by the freeway, this is a really cool big chair. It's huge. It says I love Hojo's on it. Really cool. And then the cool thing is, because we're heading into Valentine's Day, they put this out. And they have a lot of Disney themed stuff, even though it's not a Disney hotel. So that's pretty cool. They do have a store here. It's got a lot of Disney stuff in it and snacks in that. So that's right here on site. There's a look inside the store right there. Let's go check out the room that we have here. We are going on the 5th floor. For this trip, we are staying right here, 514. Okay guys, we decided that we were going to stay closer to Disneyland this trip, so we went and stayed at the Howard Johnson's, which is, people call it the Hojo, which is right across the street from Disneyland. The walk's only 5 to 7 miles. Let's check out the room, and I'll just show you how nice it is. Well, first off, we'll get the bathroom out of the way first. But, oops, the light came on. But pretty nice place. You can see the bathtub, toilet, whatever. Okay. Then we're gonna head out here. We got the, I think they're 2 queen beds, 2 king beds, something like that. And this is a pretty big room. And you got your TV, little kind of like a dinette almost. And then we don't have the best view, but out here is the view of the freeway. It's because we're kind of facing opposite of Disneyland. But you can get rooms that are, that would face the park. I kind of did it through a third-party website, so that's why I didn't get that. But the room itself is nice. I wanted to show you something too, that they do have Mickey over here, and this cool picture here of the old pirate ship that used to be in Fantasyland area, and the sky buckets and all that. So pretty cool. They also supply a microwave, refrigerator, and a Keurig coffee machine. They also supply coffee, tea, looks like some napkins, ice bucket. One thing they do not supply that you will want to bring is if you want cream for your coffee, you're going to have to supply that on your own. I think there's another Mickey one over here. Yeah, there is. There's another Mickey Mouse picture over there. But very nice room. And so the advantage to staying here is we used to stay like probably about 3 to 5 miles away, but then we would have to go and go to Mickey and Friends, pay to park, and then we would go to then we'd ride the tram and go through security this way. This way we did, like I said, 5 to 7 minutes, and security seems a little faster on this side also. And so it's kind of a win-win situation. This is what the room is inside. So the one thing about staying at the Hojo is that it is going to cost you more than probably other hotels because you are so close to Disney. But compared to staying at a Disneyland hotel, the price isn't anywhere near that. The other thing is too, from the parking lot, you can actually see the monorail. It's right there. And I think it's about as close as you can get to Disneyland without actually staying on Disney property. So we really like it. So you might want to check that out if you're interested. So if you've ever stayed at the Hojo or did because of this video, make sure you put a comment. I'd like to hear it. And we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.